you will might take the test.
Which test? Whose test?
Ma'am, reasoning.
We will see, beta. You
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to see. Take it from. There was one question in your book like 18 multiplied by 40 is equals to 18 multiplied by 4. 18 multiplied by dash multiplied by dash tens is equals to dash tens is equals to dash. This is the type of question which is given in your book. It is given in your book.
Ma'am, what is written on fourth number?
Where? Okay.
Ma'am, on fourth number.
This 7965 multiplied by dash is equals to 7965.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ दादी वो मैं नीचे अरे यार वो मैं
करके लगा तो बिल्कुल नहीं है चार्जर शिल्पी का फोन आया तो जरा से भी नहीं है चार्जर अगर तुम खेल करके ऐसे
Ma'am, please try.
Wait, wait.
yes
Ma'am, try.
आने के बाद नहीं आने जाने से पहले तो आप लगाओ दो ना
Arav Gupta, please switch off your mic.
ma'am which number we have to multiply it by 295
295. Beta 2 comma 9 comma 5. It is 2 comma 9 comma 5.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
right answer
Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, this is right in copy.
Beta revision notebook.
can be only right answer
No, write down the question also.
18 is equal to 40 is equal to when we have to write in line you have
Yes.
marked the
Yes, you have to write in the same way. This is given in your book. This type of question is given in your book.
ma'am which page number
I will not tell this. This is revision going on. You should know it.
Ma'am, what is written after find the on sixth number?
Product of 185 and 43.
Okay, ma'am.
Solve it quickly and send it to me on WhatsApp. Everyone. This is the whole maths revision. You have to do it in maths revision notebook. I think at heart the last answer is wrong. 185 multiplied by 43. Just wait. Yes, Yatharth, last answer is also wrong. Yatharth, study well, okay? Okay, very good. Who is this? Athar Singh. Very good. Athar Gupta. Athar Gupta, third answer is wrong. Fourth one is also wrong, Athar Gupta. And last one you have not done, Athar Gupta. Athar Gupta, you need to work hard. Very good, Agrita. Very nicely done. Excellent. Riti beta, please, picture should be, when you click the picture, it should be near. Very good, Riddhi. Very well done, beta. But fourth answer is wrong, Riddhi. Third one. Fifth one is wrong. Sorry, fifth one is wrong. And Riddhi, you have to show the last one also. The answers. Do it quickly. Okay, Mokshit, I got the answer. Yes, Mokshit, very good. Mokshit, I would suggest you, beta. Mokshit, see, 2 9s are 18 you have done. Okay, but I can tell you one easy method. If you multiply 2 by 5 first, 2 5s are 10. Okay, and 10 9s are 90. It is more easier. So do like this, okay? Multiply 2 and 5 first. It will be easier, although your answer is correct. But do this one, it will be easy for you. Okay, Mokshit? Good, Mokshit. Very well done, Mokshit. Perfect. Arav, Solanki. Arav, you have not done the third one, beta, and first one bhi nahi kiya, Arav. And last one is also wrong, beta, Arav. Yuvraj Gupta, first one not done. बहुत easy है, Yuvraj Gupta, beta. Why have you not done it? Other answers are correct, Yuvraj Gupta. All the other answers are correct. Okay, Vidanshu and Akshada. Akshada, it is 2, 9, 5. That means you have to multiply 2, 9 and 5. These three numbers you have to multiply with each other. Okay, beta? And you can multiply in any form. Akshada, third answer is also wrong. And the last one is also wrong. What happened, Akshada, today? Huh? Why the answers are coming wrong? Very good, Vedanshu. Vedanshu, but this इसका आंसर आपने आंसर वन अच्छा you have done it here. Very good, Vedanshu. But बेटा मल्टीप्लाई सही से नहीं करिए, कैलकुलेटर से किए क्या Vedanshu? Who is this? Sayyida Sadaf. I think Minha. Minha, why are you sending this thing in between? No, Minha, this is wrong. All the answers are wrong like this. Beta, you have to write down the answer also, Minha. And Athar Gupta, all the answers are correct, but you have not done the first one and the last one. First one and the last one you have not done. Okay, Daksh. Daksh, please don't do like this. Arkan, beta. Arkan, first wala wrong. Aapne kya kiya, Arkan? You have not done this first one. Arkan, you have not done the first one. And the second one is also wrong. Arkan, beta, idhar dekhna board pe because all the answers are wrong except the last one. Okay. Rishabh, find the product of first one not done, Rishabh. Okay, now I'm going to teach you because most of you, I'm saying, most of you are unable to answer these questions. So I'm going to tell you the answers now. Okay, meeting will be over after some time. So let me tell you the answers. Just let it be 5 minutes. Let me check other answers. Let me check a few more answers. Those who are doing it very much wrong. Okay. So see here, everyone. First answer. Mostly I've seen most of you are not doing the first answer correct. Okay, I'm going to explain it here. First answer, I'm going to explain here. First one. See, find a product. What do you mean by product? Product means the answer of multiplication. Product means answer of multiply. Whenever we multiply 2 3s are 6, so 6 is the product. That means you have to do the multiply. Product means you have to multiply. What you have to multiply? 2, 9 and 5. Some of you have done like this. They have multiplied 2 and 9 first, then they multiply 5 afterwards. Okay, but I am doing like 2 and 5 first. I am multiplying 2 and 5 first. So 2 5s is 10 and multiply by 9. So is equals to 90 will be the answer. Understood like this. So 90 is the answer of the first one. Or if you do 9 2s are 18, 18 5s are 90, then it is also correct. But it is quite long one. Okay, second answer, dash. Okay, now in this question, I'll give you permission to unmute you. Okay. When you multiply the number by 7, you get 63. Which number 7 will come 63?
Ma'am, 9.
9 sevens are 63.
Ma'am,
So read the
nine.
table of 9.
Nine,
If
seven.
you read the
Ma'am,
table.
9. 9. 63.
Okay, if you read the table of 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 nines are 63. So here it will come 9. If you multiply, what number you should multiply by any number so that you get 0. 0 makes everything 0. 0 सबको 0 बना देता है. 0 सबको 0 बना देता है. Okay? तो 0 सबको 0 बना देता है multiply में. In multiplication, 0 सबको 0 बना देता है. Okay? 7965. 7965, same number is there. So when we multiply by same number, we have to multiply by 1.
1.
But most of you are doing this one also wrong. So this is given in your book. It is written like this: 18 and 40 is given. So that means how many tens are there? 4 tens. How many tens are there? 4 tens. 18 fours are 18 fours are 4 tens. 4 tens कितना होता है? See, 4 tens is equal to 40. So we have written 40 as 4 tens. Okay. Now 18 fours are 72. 18 fours are 72. 72 tens equals to how much? 720. Okay. Now the
Okay,
sixth one. Sixth one I'll solve there. Just wait a minute. Sixth one I'll solve there. Don't ask me to be side because I'm solving. Okay. 185 multiplied by 43. Most of you have done it correct, but some of you have done it wrong just because of the calculation. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 8 3s are 20. And somebody are saying that and is written. And means multiply. And does not mean multiply. Actually, product means multiply. That means you have to find their multiplication. So don't get confused if and is written. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 25, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. Now I am rubbing this all carryovers. 4 5s are put across over.
Ma'am, Athar Gupta is playing with toys.
Athar Gupta. Keep it away. Keep it away, Athar Gupta. 4 5s are 22 carry over here. 8 4s are 32 plus 2, 34. 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. So answer will be 7955. So this is our answers. Check your answers, everyone. Any confusion now? This one, make it clear. Because it is tens over here, the 4 tens will be here. Do the revision properly.